Going gluten-free can be great. It can help you feel your best. It's not about missing out, it's about enjoying delicious food. Many people choose a gluten-free diet for different reasons. Some have gluten sensitivities, others simply want to explore new foods and flavors. Let's dive into a day filled with tasty gluten-free meals. Starting the day with a good breakfast is important. It gives us energy. It makes us ready for the day. Let's make a breakfast that is both healthy and gluten-free. For a delicious and satisfying breakfast, we'll be making fluffy oat pancakes. This recipe is easy to make. It's also packed with flavor. You'll need just a few simple ingredients for these pancakes: gluten-free oats, ripe bananas, eggs, a pinch of cinnamon, and a splash of milk. These ingredients come together to create a delicious and nutritious breakfast option. You can use almond milk, oat milk, or any milk you prefer. The choice of milk can add a unique flavor to your pancakes. Blend the oats into a fine powder. This will give your pancakes a smooth texture. Mash the bananas until they are creamy. Mix them together with the eggs, cinnamon, and milk. Make sure everything is well combined to ensure even cooking. Cook small portions on a hot griddle until golden brown. Flip them carefully to avoid breaking. Top with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. The berries add a burst of freshness, while the honey provides a touch of sweetness. Enjoy with a glass of fresh orange juice. This combination makes for a vibrant and energizing start to your day. Savoury grilled chicken salad. This delightful dish is perfect for a light lunch. Start by grilling chicken breasts seasoned with salt, pepper, and paprika. The key is to get a nice char on the outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Let it rest for a few minutes to lock in the juices, then slice it into thin, bite-sized pieces. Toss mixed greens with cherry tomatoes. The vibrant colors and fresh flavors will make your salad pop. Add some cucumber slices for a refreshing crunch. The cucumbers add a nice contrast to the other ingredients. Toss in some bell peppers for a sweet and slightly tangy flavor. Finally, add the sliced chicken on top. Make a simple vinaigrette with olive oil. This will be the base of your dressing. Add some freshly squeezed lemon juice for a zesty kick. The acidity will balance out the flavors. Season the vinaigrette with a pinch of salt to enhance all the ingredients. Don't forget to add some freshly ground black pepper for a bit of heat. Drizzle the vinaigrette generously over the salad, making sure every bite is coated with the delicious dressing. Crumble some feta cheese on top for extra flavor. The creamy texture and tangy taste of feta will elevate your salad. Pair your salad with a refreshing glass of iced tea. It's the perfect complement to this savory and satisfying dish. Dinner delight. For dinner, we are trying something different and delicious. It is packed with plant-based protein. It is full of amazing flavors. We are making crispy air-fried tofu. Tofu is like a blank canvas. It takes on the flavors you give it. This recipe makes the tofu crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Crispy air-fried tofu. Or if you prefer, you can use a pan on the hob. We will create the air-fired tofu with a spicy kick. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy dish that's perfect for any meal. Start by cutting firm tofu into bite-sized cubes. Make sure to use a sharp knife for clean cuts. Pat them dry thoroughly to remove excess moisture. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy texture. Next, toss the tofu cubes in a mixture of cornstarch, soy sauce, or alternatively, you can use Henderson's relish. Also add garlic powder and a pinch of chili powder. The cornstarch helps to create a crispy coating, while the spices add a flavorful kick. Place the seasoned tofu cubes in your air fryer basket in a single layer. This ensures even cooking and maximum crispiness. Air fry the tofu for about 10 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway through to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. Keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. Once done, serve the crispy tofu with steamed broccoli and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for added texture and flavor. This combination makes for a nutritious and satisfying meal. Enjoy your meal with a refreshing glass of chilled water with lemon. The citrusy flavor complements the spicy tofu perfectly. A gluten-free journey awaits. Going gluten-free can be a delicious adventure. With a bit of creativity, you can enjoy a wide variety of flavours and meals. Give these recipes a try. You'll be surprised at how easy and satisfying gluten-free eating can be.